Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Let's go. What is a Hyundai? It's a Hyundai Tucson. What year is this?
2015.
2015. Piece of shit. Yeah. So we doing. So we doing a starter. It's right under the intake, y'all, like normal. So start. Yeah. So actually, you do need to top both because I don't know if you can see the screw right. I mean the socket wrench right there. We need to push it from the top to get some force and then it'll go under the rest. So of course you disconnect the battery, which is what I did. And honestly, coming up to the top was probably just a waste of time from the beginning. I figured that it was right behind this intake, but it's literally not, it's right under it. So hopefully I could just drop it out and put it in, which is what it should, the job should be. And then I put all this stuff back. So, you know, even like some of these, you know. Put these back while we're waiting, you know. So, we have figured it out. But this is a disgusting situation. Anyways, I took out the top screws, but the intakes didn't move, so I had to come to the bottom. We took out the, and the bottom, once you get here, it seems very simple, right? So the starter is actually up here. I'm sure it's really hard to explain, you know, the car, and I'm trying to show you, like, so right here, let's see if you can see my hand. So you can't even see my hand, yo. It's tough, right? Oh, sure. See, I gotta put it over here. I don't know. See? That's what I'm saying. Like, so this is it right here. And that's screw number one. There's another one above the starter cap right here. 14 millimeter sockets. Right. So it's not that easy to show you guys everything, but we're gonna work on it. So right there up top, you see the starter, and pretty much just 2 screws to the right. Not that complicated, but the hardest part is getting down here. So get the point. Let's get to work. Hold on now, real quick. Turn it on one more time. And we got everybody here. See if it works. No, we know it works. Hey, job done. Woo, happy customer. So, yeah, man, I got to put everything back, but that's how you get it, man, to the side. It wasn't easy, but it's done. With a throttle. Good. That means that you don't need those clips.
Don't do that to me.
No, that's okay. This is your splash guard.
Oh, come on, you want to scare me?
This shit you could throw all these out and it's not gonna happen. It's still not gonna fall off.
I got more.
Oh, so we finishing it off.
Is that this?
Yeah.
That's that?
Yeah. But these are the smaller ones, yep.
Oh.
Yes, those are those, yes. We finishing it off. Happy customer, right?
Not yet.
Not yet. All right.
Because we got to put the clips.
Yeah, we gotta put the clips in. Put the clips in, I'm gonna drop it, and then it's done. Drop it like it's hot, yup, and she gonna turn it on, and job is done. I gotta clean my car, it's crazy. Why does it look like that? Like your car's been sitting, I've been actually driving. Why does my car look like this? It's crazy. But yeah, man, another one done. Definitely possible. You need a jack though. You can't do this one without a jack. So, like I always say, do your own car work, y'all. See you on the next one.